Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Kodian Barrett. It's now time for Frontline Business. Jamaica's net international reserve, which now stands at $3 billion is above what is described as the reserve adequacy matrix now being used by the international communities. We have more in this report.
According to the Minister of Finance, Dr. Nigel Clark, the adequacy of the Net International Services NIR is no longer measured by simple variables like the weeks of imports. It takes into account other issues like foreign debt, which impacts on balance of payments.
Today, Jamaica is at 115% of the ARA metric, meaning that we have a buffer of 15% above the level that is deemed to be adequate. In a post-fund environment, it would be very important to ensure that Jamaica always has at least 100% of that metric. And that is something that, as far as policy is concerned, we will be focused on.
And as Jamaica contemplates economic life after an International Monetary Fund IMF program, Minister Clark stressed institutionalization and training to ensure gains along with training.
One of the things that we are doing to make sure that in a post-fund environment we can maintain what we have is to ensure that we strengthen the macro-fiscal capacity of the Ministry of Finance and of the agencies that are responsible for economic policy making. And as a result of that, last year we engaged the Institute of Capacity Development, which is an arm of the IMF, along with CARTAP, which is based in Barbados, and it's an IMF affiliate in Barbados, to help in the training of persons at the PIOJ, at the Ministry of Finance, at the Bank of Jamaica, in macro-fiscal modeling and in detailed forecasting. Because that's where it all begins. It begins with being able to use and manipulate these complex models that forecast, given certain inputs, how an economy is likely to respond to certain policy adjustments.
He was speaking on Wednesday at the Jamaica Stock Exchange's 14th Regional Investment and Capital Markets Conference at the Pegasus Hotel. Kimberly Broderick, Frontline Business.
iCreate has launched an initial public offering IPO, offering over 74 million shares at $1.01 per share. This IPO will open on January 31 and close on February 14. If the company is successful with the IPO, it will make an application for the ordinary shares to be listed on the Jamaica market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. iCreate focuses on skills, training, and development of creatives in Jamaica and the wider Caribbean. In Wednesday's trading session, the JC Combined Index declined by 2,355 points to close at over 370,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 54 stocks, of which 25 advanced, 20 declined, and 9 traded firm. The junior market index advanced by 29 points to close at 3,200. Stocks advanced for Barita Investments, Blue Power Group, Caribbean Producers, Carreras Limited, and Elite Diagnostic. Stocks declined for 138 Student Living, 1834 Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cement, and Consolidated Bakeries. Trading firm were Access Financial Services, Grace Kennedy, Indies Pharma Jamaica, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and Jetcon Corporation. Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited ordinary shares was the volume leader with over 927 million units, followed by Fontana Limited with over 7 million units and Kingston Wharves Limited with approximately 449,369 units. News in oil: prices turned negative on Wednesday, following U.S. stock markets down on concerns about global economic weakness, forecast for record U.S. shale production, and lower U.S. gasoline prices. Brent futures were down $1.07 or 1.7% at $60.43 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell 99 cents or 1.9% to $52.02 per barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. Regional stories are up next.